Welcome to English Screen. Let's begin. Lily loved her small cat very much. Her cat had soft black and white fur. The cat's name was Pepper. Pepper usually slept on the sofa in the afternoon. One sunny Tuesday, Lily came home from school. She looked at the sofa. Pepper was not there. Lily called softly, "Pepper." No little black and white face appeared. She checked the kitchen. Pepper's food bowl was full. She checked the bedroom. The bed was empty. Lily felt a little worry in her chest. Her heart beat a little faster. She put on her shoes and went outside. The sun was warm on her face. She walked slowly down the street. She looked under a green bush. Nothing was there. She looked behind a big tree. Only dry leaves were there. She looked near a small fence. Only an old brown stick was there. Then she saw her neighbor, Mrs. Chen. Mrs. Chen was watering her flowers. Lily walked over to her. "Excuse me, Mrs. Chen," Lily said. "Have you seen my cat?" Mrs. Chen smiled and stopped watering. "Tell me about your cat," Mrs. Chen said gently. Lily needed to describe Pepper. "It has black and white fur," she explained. "It is small and very quiet." Mrs. Chen nodded her head. "I did see a little black and white cat," she said. Lily's eyes opened wide. "It walked toward the small park 10 minutes ago," Mrs. Chen added. "That was the park with the wooden bench." "Thank you so much," Lily said. She walked quickly to the small park. The park was mostly quiet. She heard birds in the trees. She did not hear a cat. She saw the wooden bench. No cat was sitting on it. She saw a red and white ball on the grass. No cat was playing with it. She looked near the tall slide. Only a small gray bird was there. Lily felt more worry now. Her hands felt a little cold. She stood still and looked all around her. Then she noticed a little movement near the small fountain. The fountain was not working today. The water was still. She took 3 steps closer. Something black and white was behind the fountain's stone base. It was a curled-up shape. It was a sleepy shape. Lily's heart jumped with hope. A warm feeling filled her chest. She stepped very close and whispered, "Pepper." The little black and white shape lifted its head. It had green eyes. It was Pepper. Pepper blinked slowly and stretched. The small cat looked very comfortable. Lily bent down and gently picked Pepper up. Pepper purred softly. "I looked everywhere for you," Lily whispered. She felt so happy and relieved. She held Pepper close to her chest. She walked slowly home. Pepper stayed calm in her arms. Inside the house, Lily put Pepper on the soft sofa. Pepper closed her green eyes again. Lily sat next to her sleepy friend. She smiled and stroked the soft black and white fur. Everything was okay again.